Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another video which is modification of XE Nexon XE base model. So this is a white color vehicle, and in this we have modified automatic ORVM and power window. So then after that we have installed a shark fin antenna, and inside we have modified steering control and steering cover also we have installed in it, and boot light and glove light also. So first of all, like a power window, as I have shown in other videos, so control from the like front itself, driver side itself, no problem. Then after that we have installed this steering mounted control, okay, and we have wrapped this steering cover also, and apart from that we have installed a glove light also. You can see the light inside the glove, and in boot also we have inside the light. So in boot also the light we have installed, and shark fin antenna. This is a shark fin antenna. And automatic ORVM mirror with this control as top model. And apart from that, rear light also we have installed here. So this is a XE model, so we have installed a rear cabin light. So in front of me, the owner of the car. Okay, sir, can you just tell about your experience with us?
Okay, I just contacted Arun via YouTube after seeing the video in YouTube, and I just trusted him and I placed the order. Immediately he came and he fixed it within 2-3 days. So everything's happened quickly.
So tell about damping, sir. So we have fixed in 4 doors and dicky also. So
yeah.
How was the sound quality before and after damping?
Yeah, after damping I got good sound. The outside noise is reduced completely now. I can feel the difference between before damping and after damping. You can enjoy the music.
So you are happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy.
So just after few days, I just want you to like experience all the features in the vehicle and give us a good feedback.
Sure, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.